Here's an easy way to create rim light using my Photoshop action shortcuts. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here I have an image of a sign and say I want to add some rim light right here to enhance it. Usually I would create a new layer and then I will come here, select the color, the brightest part here, click OK, select B for brush and bring the size down. Let's do 3, hardness all the way up. And I would try to come and brush it in myself like that, right? And you can see I'm not that good at it. So I figured a way to make it way cleaner. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all this. So with the brush still selected, I'm just going to go ahead and change this to, let's do 4 pixel. I like to keep it between 3 and 6. I'm going to select P for the pen tool. And I'm just make a point here, point here, point here, then point right there. And I'm just go here to my action. And if you want to download the shortcut, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. And I'm just go down here to stroke brush path, click on play, and you can see create a way smoother line than what I could have done. Now to even speed up the process, what I like to do is I go to edit. I'm gonna change the keyboard shortcuts. I'm going to edit, keyboard shortcut, and I'm going to go to the application menu, and I'm gonna look for print. I don't use the shortcut Control P for print, so I'm gonna delete this because I'm gonna use Control P to click on the play whenever I need that. Now let's go to the panel menu, delete this. In the action on play, I'm gonna do Control P, and you can see it's set right there. Click OK. Now with this selected, you could still close this. So I'm gonna create a new layer, and this time I'm gonna change the opacity to 50 because I'm gonna add some rim light in the back and it won't be that bright. So I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna do the same thing. Select the pen tool and make a point there, point there, point there, point there. Now instead of going to our action and click on the play, all I have to do is Control P. Same thing over here, point there, Control P. And that just speed up the process. So here's the before, after. All right, now let's say we want to add some rim light to some jagged edges like this on the branch. So I'm just go ahead and zoom in and create a new layer. Select P for the pen tool, or actually no, B for brush. Let's change this to let's do 2 pixel. I know I like to keep it from 3 to 6, but maybe 2 will work for this one since it's jagged. And I'm select P for the pen tool, and it's gonna be the exact same process. This time it's gonna be more jagged like that. And the cool thing is we already set up the shortcut, so Control P. Again here, Control P. And then this one, that one's gonna be more smoother. Same thing here, Control P. And you can see the before, after. So instead of brushing it, right, kind of like that. See, like I'm not good at it. Maybe I get away with the jagged, but still. For me, I like using the pen tool. I'm much faster. So yeah, you want to download the shortcut action. I'm gonna leave a link in the description.